how fast he eats. Si Copper. Ito lang ng bone structure na. Monster. Well, Uno waits for him to finish kasi ito pa lang siya kakain or else agawan din siya ng Copper. So, figure out na yun. Ito yung very patient tong kuya niya. Oh, good boy. Meron pa, finish your food. Finish. Yan, no? Good boy. Tapos vitamins na. Kasi wala na yung kumpain. Tapos ka na. Later ulit. Hindi pa siya masyadong nag-train sa labas eh. So, ito muna siya. Thank you sa back-TV, Jay. Today, now we're going to cook Kaldereta. So, we got beef chunks. That's more than 1 kilo, 1.375. So 419.75 per kilo. It's 577. Let's see kung gaano karami ka rin natin maluto. And we have a new equipment. We got this Hanabishi pressure cooker. So warranty siya. So tingnan natin. So this is exciting kasi may bago tayong toy. Let's see. Ciao! I-half ko muna yung mga beef cubes kasi masyadong malaki para mas maparami din natin siya. Maganda sa beef yung may taba-taba eh. In between yun. Kasi hindi din siya maganda pagka puro laman. Medyo boring kainin. And this is it. This is our Hanabishi pressure cooker. Sakto lang ito sa ano natin. So pagkasya natin more than 1 kilo na beef cubes. So sakto lang. Tapos ugasan muna natin. Let's add water. Then pang-fulan natin siya. Hanggang maging lumambot. I'm excited sa kanyang new ref. Grocery para malagyan. Sana lagi po lang. So it says here pag beef 20 minutes lang. Timing starts when steam starts to escape. The timetable below indicates the average cooking time of the most common types of food. So important advice, make sure that the lid is closed tightly before putting your cooker on the stove. Never substitute the pressure valve with another object. Do not overfill your cooker. Use only the recommended quantity of water. Always turn the handle of your cooker sideways when it is on the stove to prevent accidents, especially with children. Do not hit the brim of your pressure cooker because this could harm its performance. Do not cook cereals and grains in your pressure cooker. Check if there are food particles trapped on the rubber thing. This is a sign. Pressure control valve stops moving while cooking. This is a sign that there is no more water in the pressure cooker. O pag nag-stop na siya, cool the cooker immediately under running water and decide if cooking is finished or if this already suits your taste. Do not try to force it open because the cooker may still be pressurized. But put it back under running water and wait a little while longer. When pressure builds up, the handle is locked and becomes impossible to turn due to an additional safety mechanism in the handle cover. Simply push pin handle pressure lock in the handle cover with a long blunt instrument. wait for the excessive steam to exhaust before opening the lid. So ito yung dapat. So it's important to read the instructions first before you use it kasi alam ko marami nang na-accident pag gamit ito. So yung pressure control valve, overpressure, manual pressure relief valve, cover handle. Yan, tas for solid foods, fill the maximum 2/3 of the capacity. So half fit total capacity. So how to use to close yun. To cook, put your pressure cooker on high flame. Lower the flame to a minimum and start the cooking time as immediately. To remove the pressure cooker from the stove and put it under running water. Turn the lid counterclockwise until the arrow leaf valve up. Handle pressure lock, overpressure the valve. So the water here, bawasan natin ng konti siguro. Kasi it says kalahati lang. Ito yung maximum capacity. Ayan. Siguro okay naman na ito. Konti pa. Lagyan ko na kaya ng ano yan na lang, bay leaves. Also, yun. Kailangan very tight siya. Tapos ito twist ko yung to lock. There you go. Tapos itong reset. Okay. Yun. Tapos yun yung magtutunog later kapag cooking na siya. Sasaktan natin. So hot pot. Yan. Let's wait. Mag-sound siya. Kaya natin, dito na siya. More than 20 minutes na. So in a while, off na natin siya. Para rinamit siya sa mga isa only before you can open the lid. Prepare na yung ating potatoes and carrots. Of course, onions and garlic. Para yung potatoes. And ready na ang ating vegetables. Potatoes, bell pepper, and carrots. Sinalang ko ulit yung ating, malambot na siya, but then I want it to be more tender. Pero lagyan ko na siya ng bay leaves or laurel with some salt and pepper. So, one more round. Add natin yung later yung liver spread and season it. Tapos tomato paste and then tomato sauce with some cheese. So, yung gagawin. Kasi also yung Kaldereta mix. Try lang natin. And we're putting also the olives and some cheese. Nag-stop na yung whistling niya. Kaya tinanggal ko na sana. Ibig sabihin doon lang wala ng water sa loob. Mag-protein na. So, panaligyan na natin siya. And then back to our pan. Medyo matrabaho ang Kaldereta. Tapos, find na natin siya later together with our other ingredients. Sa garlic. I add now yung ating beef. Para try lang muna natin siya dito para bago natin siya timplahan. Ayan, mas malambot na siya yung taba niya. So, ganun na rin. Okay. Tapos we put and add liver spread. Pero yung sauce nito, yung pinaglagaan natin, gagamitin pa rin natin siya for the sabaw. Save lang natin for later. Muna ko lang muna to para mas matimplahan na natin. So kung may maiwan pa dito sa pressure cooker, magagamit pa rin natin to later. We'll add now ang ating liver spread. Isa lang muna. Then in the oil, add natin yung tomato sauce and tomato paste. And then, here, let's put some tomato paste, no? Yan, okay lang muna yan. Kasi yung tomato paste, matapang siya talaga. And then, tomato sauce. Baka lang yung tomato sauce natin. Let's see. Isang pack lang yung nabili natin. Tapos mix din natin. Ngayon yung konti yung ating sayang. Yan, masarap din yung beef pag nagtututuan. Mas nagiging flavorful siya. And then let's put some soy sauce pala. And then yung seasoning natin. So we'll add some soy sauce, mga tapos let's add this yung itatry natin Kaldereta mix. So sabi naman dito diretso lang din, so pero hindi natin lalagay lahat kasi gusto ko lang mas may flavorful yung ating dish. Kaya I'm trying this before. Tapos yung broth natin later lalagay natin. Let's add yung ating beef broth. Tignan natin konti. So ito na ang gagawin natin. Ito na isalang natin dito since ito yung mas malaki. Tapos careful lang kasi mga pamilansik para may space pa later para dun sa ating vegetables. Tsaka yung nasunog dun, hindi na siya sumama. Add na natin to para habang nagsisimmer siya, lalambot na rin yung ating mga veggies. Careful lang. Oops. Simmer. Ciao. Let's add olives. Add natin itong chili, pero asahulang para hindi siya masyadong spicy. Tapos let's add cheese. Dinamihan ko na rin talaga yung sabaw kasi masarap naman yung sabaw. So this is our Kaldereta. Beef Kaldereta. And cheese. Matutunaw siya later. And then, pag gumalo na siya, yung sauce na, kaya mas lalapot na siya. Binder din kasi siya. Medyo lumalapot lang ako. So that's it. Tingnan natin lumambot pa totally yung mga veggies. Kasi half cooked pa lang siya. Lastly, para hindi siya masira, lagyan natin ng drop of vinegar. This is sukang pombo. Para sa uling ko. Ayan. Ciao. Beef Kaldereta. Yummy.